It was right after we were married. And we were kind of settling into our little routines in life, right? She had her job, I had my job. And I come home from work that day, and I walk in the house, and here's my bride. You know, we're just a couple, 2 3 weeks after the honeymoon. I find my bride. She's on the couch, and she's crying. Now, I think right off the bat, my thought is, something's the matter here. That's what I was thinking. I got up the courage to ask, honey, what's the matter here? Her response was, nothing, just leave me alone. Now, I was very confused, but I kept digging, thinking, maybe something happened at work. Honey, did something happen at work today? She says, nothing, just leave me alone. I was very, very confused at this point and began to think maybe I'd done something wrong. I really got up the courage at that point. I said, honey, have I done something wrong? She slams her hand down on the table and she points at me and she says, you never do the dishes. I was in shock. Absolutely in shock. Because when we got married, no one gave me a policies and procedures manual or a job description. So, of course, at that moment, I had to do what every other red-blooded American male does, you know. Bought her a dishwasher. Nobody ever gets that. How did you know that? You knew the whole...
I was there once.
Yeah, okay, I get it. Okay. All right. But then I went to work immediately on my job description.